we discovered that the state government was making giant strides. That's the Plateau State Government, headed by Mr. Beza David. He was making giant strides in Code Plateau, an initiative he created to produce quality developers. And we, as an organization, we decided to partner with the state government. We offered to train certain number of programmers in their initiative. And at the end of the day, we found out that the programmers we trained excelled greatly. So that was our way of contributing to the community and to the initiatives of the government. So any initiative that is aimed at producing programmers around this part, we are happy to be part of it.
So a few months back, there was a selection process where 5 of us were selected from Code Plateau. So after we were selected, we were told we'll be brought to a hub to further our learning. When we came here, we met a very conducive and active learning environment.
I'm the only female in this cohort, and I love the way they actually make me feel welcome in the tech space. They didn't discriminate that because I'm a female I can't do it. They include me in what they've been doing.
I've been developing software for the past 5 years, but what makes Axia Hub unique and outstanding is that they are not just training software developers, but they are training you with software engineering skills. So that you, at the end of the day, you not just develop softwares that work, but you are going to develop softwares that are outstanding in the market.
Our first meeting here at the hub, where the instructor, Mr. Donald, had to ask each one of us our area of interest.
He went through the basics to ensure we get everything right before going into Laravel, which we came here originally to do. So all those things made learning here fun, made it easier to understand.
Previously, the way I undergo my project was, first of all, I usually have more problem with kind of financial and money issue. And the problem is most because of planning. You have to kind of draft the methods in which you take before you execute a project, which is major problem of myself. And coming here, you just learn the steps you have to follow before you can execute a project. And I think when you truly follow the steps and instructions you get from this place, I think then the problem of money and the problem of mismanagement of fund in project will not arise.
It's not just about getting you up to speed, because you can just learn and be a programmer. The instructors, the interaction with them have taught us how to think and how also to develop our software.
And so far, I would say my experience at Axia Hub has been so interesting and inspiring.
I've learned how to work with others.
Like I said before, now I didn't have any idea, but now I can develop a site from beginning to end and also deploy it.
So with what I've learned, I've been able to create something that is actually functional, and I can say that I've actually uploaded a site using Laravel.
Now the whole program has come to an end. I would say honestly, I don't want to leave, but it happens that we have to leave because we've actually met amazing people here. I wouldn't run away from that fact.
I'd like to appreciate everyone here that put in effort into us learning. Our tutor, Mr. Donald, the boss himself, then Chimeze, Godwin, and everyone.
I'll never forget Mr. Donald because he actually put a lot of time into teaching us in depth and giving us relevant assignments, not just assignment that you do that you won't even learn anything from it. I just doing it for doing sake.
Most of the limitation we face trying to learn from others is they don't give us much time, they don't want to listen to us, but it's different here. There are people who are going to support you, who are ready to ask that you can always meet, even any time of the day. There are sometimes we usually talk to our instructors in the night, 1 to 3 p.m. Try to reach up to us, hey guys, what are you working on? So I think this hub will support you always, like anytime. You can just reach up to everybody. So.
If I have another lady there that is looking at being a developer, this is my advice to you. First is know why you want to be a developer, and then pick a niche and stick to it. And another thing is believe in yourself that you can do it and you will do it. Don't look as if tech is for guys.
I would say you should just believe in yourself, put in the work, and apply for coding classes at Axia Hub.
Officially, I don't know the boss of the hub, but unofficially, I was shown the boss. So why I said that is because he has not exhibited that I'm the boss and everything like that. So there is just that friendly nature, that warm environment, and it's just interesting. So I would recommend anybody that intends to get that spark in tech and everything to just come around Axia Hub, and I will tell you, you wouldn't regret your experience here.